नमस्कार. आम्ही आता शेंच्या चढ व्हिडिओज केले नसं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्यू कोण तीर्चयायटून तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घाल का मी रांदूचे सगळं आम व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जालें सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिल्यार तर आमकां आनी व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक कोरका तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर कोरका सब्सक्राइब करूक सांगू काय
Nanchonia Dhudhali, Ragi or Nanchono, which was very much a staple food in our traditional diets, has now made a comeback as a superfood after researchers have confirmed the very many health benefits of this grain. So let's begin this new year on a sweet note and enjoy eating this delicious Dhudhali using Ragi and be benefited too. This perfect recipe from a KKJ blog is courtesy my dear FB friend Veena Naik Akka. Here is 3/4 cup of Ragi. Wash it well, removing impurities if any. Soak it for 2 hours and then drain the Ragi. Take about half cup of grated coconut and add both in a mixer jar. Add 3 cups of water and grind to a smooth texture. Now pour this into a filter to strain it. Collect the milk in another bowl. Add some more water to the strained Ragi. Grind well and again strain it. Collect the milk again. Remove the strained remnants. Add this milk to a non-stick or heavy bottom kadai. Now add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Mix well. Now start to cook, stirring continuously on low to medium flame. Keep stirring as otherwise it may catch the bottom and form lumps. Be alert as it does thicken quickly. At this stage, take some cardamoms and add a teaspoon of its powder. When it has thickened considerably and will not slip off the spatula, switch off and transfer to a greased plate. Flatten and smoothen finish with the help of a greased spatula. Cut to pieces when the Dhudhali has cooled. Serve this delicious and healthy treat to your family and friends. Happy New Year again! As always, like, share and subscribe.